Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your profile pictures on Netflix. So here I'm going to do it on the Netflix application on computer. First, let's just open the Netflix app. So it's basically the same if you are doing it on mobile or TV. Okay, so in here there are three profiles on my Netflix account. So before entering, if you want to change the profile picture shown in here, you can just tap on the manage profile options in here and then choose the profile that you want to change its picture. For example, I'm going to change this one. You can click on this pencil icon on the profile. And here on the photo, there will be this pencil icon again at the bottom left corner. Click on that and you'll see lots of profile icon or profile picture that you can choose for your profile picture. So you can just select from your favorite shows character in here. Okay, so for example, I'm going to just change it into this characters right here. You can click on it and then tap on let's do it. Okay, now you can just scroll down and just tap on save. And that's it. Now the profile picture is changed. That's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.